Welcome to Bybit, your gateway to the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading. Let's begin your journey to mastery. First, let's create your Bybit account. Security is paramount, so we'll set up two-factor authentication for extra protection. Now, let's fund your account. Bybit offers diverse deposit options, giving you maximum flexibility to get started. Let's navigate Bybit's trading interfaces. We'll explore both spot trading for beginners and derivatives for advanced users. Understanding order types is crucial. We'll cover limit, market, and conditional orders to give you full control over your trades. Leverage can amplify your trading potential, but it's important to use it responsibly. Let's explore how to do this safely. Executing orders like a pro requires real-time monitoring and effective position management. I'll show you the ropes. Bybit Convert allows you to seamlessly swap between cryptocurrencies. It's a powerful tool for portfolio management. Bybit offers a vast ecosystem with over 390 coins and 484 trading pairs. The opportunities are endless. For the more adventurous, Bybit offers options trading. These advanced strategies can enhance your trading arsenal. Bybit provides extensive educational resources. From tutorial videos to comprehensive guides, you'll never stop learning. You're now ready to put your knowledge into action. Your exciting journey in cryptocurrency trading starts here. Don't wait any longer. Join Bybit today and start your thrilling cryptocurrency trading adventure. Ready to begin? Click the link below to create your Bybit account now.